Hi all, this is Josh Yang, and this is the program that I created for the final project. It incorporates bits and pieces from JavaScript and HTML to make a currency converter from the US dollar to 10 different countries' currency. So what exactly is JavaScript and HTML? JavaScript is a key programming language for the web. It is useful in updating and changing HTML, and it can calculate, manipulate, and validate data. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for web pages. Now let's check out what my code does. So the HTML tag here tells the browser that it is an HTML document, and the script tag here is used to define JavaScript. The head tag here represents the head of the HTML document in the window. The title tag here represents the title of the web page. The ID here is what defines this variable. The span tag here makes the output occur on the same line as the text. And the onInput here is what gets the user's input and immediately changes the value of the variable using this function, which is coded in JavaScript. The p tag here means paragraph, but I used it to just skip to the next line in the window, similar to a system.out.println line with nothing in it. So here's the function that I coded in JavaScript that does the calculating. It is basically a Java method, but in JavaScript it is called a function. It takes a parameter val, which is passed from the user's input value up here. The document object here represents the HTML document in the window, and it uses the .getElementById function, which looks for the specific ID and finds it. So in this case, it finds the ID Taiwan because Taiwan is a specified ID, and it finds it up here. The .inner HTML here changes the contents of the HTML element with this calculation. And the number object is used here to do the numerical calculation. And the .toFix2 is just rounding to 2 decimal places. So let's see exactly what this does. You run it, launching Chrome, and say you want $5 in Taiwan. It is 157.60. And say you want $10 in Venezuela. It is $56,280.